Hello, crafty friends. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today we're going to make a very easy wallet style gift card holder and just with the cardstock and pattern and paper. So let's go into it. So what we need is a panel that is a 10 by 6 and I'm just going to score in the middle at 3 inches and then I turn it over and that's going to score a 1 inch and then again a 5.5 inch. Yes, 5.5. Sorry, you can't see it, but it's 5.5. So it's and then now I turn it again, and I's gonna score at 6 inch. Sorry, 5 inch, and 1 inch, but just a little bit, and 2 inch. There you go. Very easy. Now I'm just gonna cut off the excess. So I'm just gonna remove the like a corner, basically the right bottom corner completely. We don't need that, and goodbye. And now we're just gonna leave the little 1 inch square in the center. That's gonna be our closing mechanism. There you go. And with my corner chopper I'm just gonna round the corners. So that is for the closing mechanism, and then I'm gonna go around my little wallet and remove the corners. I didn't do a good job there. Let's do it again. There you go. And that's gonna be close. That's the corner. I'm gonna chop the corner of the inside as well in a minute, but before I do that, I'm gonna tape down that little flap that I don't need. I could have cut it off, but if you tape it down, it gives a nicer finish, I think. So I'm using this very expensive, um, very strong tape. Well, it's not expensive if you buy in bulk like I did, but it's not the cheapest one. And now I'm just gonna try my gift card, see the position, and I'm gonna mark it down with a little with a white gel pen. So just gonna go around with it just to see where my gift card gonna stay, so I can tape all around. That is gonna be my little pocket with a gift card. You can make as many pockets as you want, but I'm gonna give you just one gift card, so one pocket is enough. This one is gonna be for the lovely lollipop lady at my younger kids' school. I'm gonna use this Christmas card, Christmas paper, pattern and paper that I had in my stash for very long time. There you go. I'm just rounding up everything else. I'm missing a corner there. That's it. Now everything is nice and round. It works. Now I'm just gonna decorate with some pattern and paper. This little panel is 1.5 inch by 4, and I'm just gonna attach it to the little pocket there. So I'm using this tape runner that is running low, I think. There you go. And for inside, I'm just gonna, the panels are, for inside and outside, the panels are 4 by 2.5, I think, or 3, 2, I don't remember. Oh yes, 2.5, because the whole thing is free, so 4 by 2.5, those panels. And now I can close my pocket. There you go. And try again if my gift card fit, if I can find it. There it is. There you go. Perfect. On the right side, I'm just gonna mat a, a slightly smaller panel in white cardstock, so I can write my personal message. So this one is run out completely. Let's go with another one. I prefer the blue one, but I need to find the recharge for that. And there you go. So I can write my message. Now for the outside, I've chosen different pattern and paper. This one is more thick as well, I think. And again, the panel is the same size, that is 4 by 2.5. I've got the feeling that I attach it wrong. Never mind. This pattern paper is very forgiving. Yeah, I think I attach it upside down, but I don't really notice much, I don't think, hopefully. Now for the little yeah, for the little opening things, that I'm gonna round it a bit better because it was a bit spiky. I'm just gonna attach a little piece of the same pattern paper, just smaller than 1 inch. There you go. And to close it, I try first with the glue dot, but I completely forgot to you're supposed to put your finger on it so it become less sticky, but I forgot. I attached directly. Of course, I ripped the paper and it was completely useless. So I remove it and decide to go for something else. Sorry about my voice. I've got a cold again. And this one is a hook and loop a tape that I found very, very cheap. I think it was 90 pence in a shop. So I'm gonna use a tiny little piece of that, and this go like a sticky part, and that's it. There you go, it works. Yay! Now it's time to put my sentiment in it. I pop up that circle so my sentiment is more visible. I There you go, just trying. Good. I add a little message inside, but it can be skipped, this passage, if you want to. And that's it, super easy. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. And I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.